Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So if you follow me on social media for some time now, you should know that I'm not one to stick to a particular style of editing. I like coming up with different variations or different styles, right? But there is this particular style that I really like and I've been using for a while now, and I'd like to share with you guys so you can use it for your social media. So all you need for today's video is Lightroom Mobile or Lightroom on your system. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Alright guys, so this is the photo we're working on today, and let's get into this. So first of all, we're going to move the exposure up to around 1.34. Then we're going to move the contrast down to -30. Okay, -30. The highlights are going to go down to around -63. -63. Okay. Then the shadows are going to go all the way up to around 82. Then the whites are going to go down to -23. Sorry, the whites are going to go down to -33. The blacks are going to go down to -23. So whites all the way down to -33, and the blacks down to -23. Good. Now for the curves, I've already made the edits because it takes a little bit of time. So what you guys can do is just pause the video and recreate these curves that I've made. So first, you're going to start with the regular curve. Then when you're done, you move to the red, you pause, you recreate this. Then you move to the green, pause, you recreate it. Then move to the blue. And once you're done with that, you click on done. And then we're just going to move to the color panel. So for the temperature, we're going to take it down to around 6300. Okay. I'm already there, so we're going to move to tint. We're going to take the tint to around 9. Okay. Then for the vibrance, we're going to take the vibrance up to 6. Then we're going to take the saturation up to 4. Alright. Then we're going to move to the mix panel. We're going to start with red. So for red, we're going to take the hue to 3. Saturation to -25. And luminance to 1. Alright, we're going to move to orange. The hue is going to go all the way to 5. The saturation is going to go to -42. And the luminance is going to go to -25. Alright, then we're going to move to yellow. So for yellow, the hue is going to go down to -6. The saturation is going to go down to -44. And the luminance is going to go down to -5. Alright, then click on green. The hue is going to go down to around -21. -21. Okay, and the saturation for green is going to go down to -33. Alright, then the luminance for green is going to go down to around -40. All the way to -40. Good. Then we're going to click on aqua. So for the hue, we're going to take it up to 34. The saturation is going to go all the way down to -58. 58. And the luminance is going to go down to -10. -10. Alright, then we're going to click on blue. So the saturation of blue is going to go down to -72. We're going to skip the hue. The saturation is going down to -72. Okay. And the luminance is going to go down to -31. -31. Alright, then we're going to click on purple. Then the hue is going to go all the way up to 15. Okay, the saturation is going to go down to -63. And the luminance is going to go down to -5. Okay, that's 5. Alright, then we're going to move on to the last color, and we're going to take the hue up to 12. We're going to take the saturation down to -45. And we're going to take the luminance to -5. Alright, we're going to click on done. Then we're going to move to the effect panel, and for the texture we're going to take it down to -10. Okay, for the clarity we're going to move it up to around 4 or 5. Okay, I'm going to take mine to 5. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this edit, so I'm just going to show you the results. So this is before and this is after. Before and after. Guys, click on this video to learn how to edit like Chloe, but before you do that, don't forget to leave a like down below. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in this video.